Let's walk you through the President Taylor and get a little more familiar with how it works. The leftmost knob is your power and volume control. With the knob all the way to the left, you're in the off position, so just click it on and turn up the volume to a suitable level for you. The center knob is your squelch control to help cut out some of the static and make it easier to listen to. With the center knob all the way to the left, you're in automatic squelch control or ASC mode, which does a pretty good job of filtering out the noise without a manual adjustment. If you want to set it manually, start turning it up until the static drops out. You may even want to go a hair past in case the static levels were to increase a bit. Don't crank it up, or you'll end up filtering out the actual signal. Your big knob on the right is your channel knob, and can also act as your scroll wheel when you're in the menu. The WX button enables the weather radio where you can select between 7 different channels. Scroll through looking for the strongest signal, which should be the closest in proximity to you. Holding the WX button enables the weather alert, which will alert you anytime there's an emergency weather situation in the area. The F or function button is how you access the menu, where you can control a wide range of features like the display color, brightness, emergency channels, Vox, Roger Beep, and more. Press F to enter the menu, then turn the large knob or use the up-down keys on the top of the mic to select the parameter you want to change, for example, the color. Then press F again and select the option you want, and then F again to confirm your selection. Press the mic's push-to-talk switch to exit the menu or wait until the menu eventually times out. To enter Vox or voice activation mode, hold down the F key until you see Vox pop up on the display. Now you can communicate without taking your hands off of the wheel to reach for the mic. You can use the included mic for Vox, or you can use an optional Vox mic attached to the rear. In the menu, you'll find sensitivity, anti-Vox, and delay time adjustments that allow you to fine-tune everything and accommodate for your background noises to keep your voice from getting cut off too quickly when you stop talking. In the top left corner, you'll find a handy little USB port so that you can charge your phone and other USB-compatible devices. This can be very useful, especially in emergencies. Your first switch allows you to quickly access emergency channels. By default, EMG1 is programmed to channel 9 and EMG2 to channel 19. Let's say you're on channel 34. In this instance, you can flip the switch down to EMG2 and quickly convey a message or get info. If you flip it back to off, you'll be right back on the channel you were previously on. You can program these to be whatever channel you want, for example, if you wanted EMG1 to go to channel 7 instead of 9. The center switch helps you filter out more unwanted noise and makes the radio less harsh and easier to listen to. Use the off position at the bottom for no filtering, the center position to add the noise blanker and automatic noise limiter, and finally the top position to add a high-cut filter that cuts out high-frequency tones, making the audio less shrill. On the last switch, your top position will be standard CB operation. In the middle CB or Talkback position, you add Talkback, which allows you to hear your own voice through your speaker. To set the Talkback volume, key down the mic while in Talkback mode and adjust it from 1 to 9 using the largest knob followed by unkeying the mic. Incrementally increase the volume so you can hear it, but keep in mind that the louder it is, the more likely you are to cause feedback through the speaker. With the last switch all the way down, you're in public access or PA mode. This sends your voice to the PA speaker jack instead of broadcasting over the airwaves. You'll see AM blinking on the LCD while in this mode as a reminder that you're not actually transmitting across your antenna. Remember to check the manual for extra ways to configure the PA mode. Lastly, across the back is your antenna connection, power cord, input for a Vox microphone, and outputs for external and PA speakers. Thank you to everyone who stopped by to watch today's video. This video was brought to you by Walcott Radio. Visit our store or go online at walcottradio.com.